Fixing a purse strap. We have a fairly nice little purse here that the strap is about to break or has broken in either case. Get a little rivet from the hardware store, cut this off, shorten it a little, and get it back to working like new. We're going to need scissors, heavy scissors, to go and cut the leather strap, a small hammer. If you don't have a cute little anvil like this, which very few people do, you can use another heavy piece of metal, or if necessary, even a rock from your yard works pretty good. Now, the one thing you may not have, which you likely won't have, these are copper rivets. You can go to almost any hardware store, go to the fasteners and tell the guy, hey, I need a copper rivet, and you'll get something like this. I think they cost about 20 cents each, something like that. I hope they show up in the video. They seem to be, I can't tell here. Okay, so I'm going to cut here where the edge is. We're going to cut this loop out. Take that off. And do both sides. This is a little paper punch. I'm going to fold this back to make a little loop. We're going to guess where this next hole is going to be. Alright, so there's, I can't see this one very well. Let me clean this up. Alright, so we have 2 holes. Now we're going to go to the other end, and we're going to make 2 holes in similar places. Now we're going to put the strap in from the outside and put the short piece towards the inside. I'll line up the holes. We're going to stick our copper rivet through one hole and then the other. Okay. Alright, so right now it doesn't hold anything. Get a little bit out of there. Going to take our washer and put our washer over it like that. Now comes the fun part. This is where you hit your fingers. I'm going to use something to kind of push that rivet down a little bit, keep my fingers out of the way, and we're going to give it a couple of smacks. Okay, so it's starting to round over. Oops. See? Now we're going to hit it a couple more times just to get that to smoosh down a little bit. Okay, we don't need to beat it completely flat, but you know, you want it to mushroom out just a little bit so that it'll hold the washer down. Now there, that's tight. That'll last for, oh, who knows how long. A long time. Now we do the other side. Ready for fashion. Woohoo!